Mic testing. 1, 2, 3. Kai nimeparara. Oh my goodness. Okay, so hi guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is an update on my morning routine and the things that I use. Okay. So I start off with using the Nivea Perfect and Radiant Eventone Cleanser. You can use any cleanser that is available to you at the moment. It's preferable to use one over a bar soap because bar soaps tend to be very harsh on the skin, especially your face. So after cleansing my face, I like to go in with the rose water and I spray it generously all over my face, so before anything else. So I also did this on my neck and behind. Yeah. Then I pat it to dry, or I can. Okay. 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 So I pat it to dry before adding anything else. So next I go in with the Garnier Vitamin C Dark Spot Corrector. I use it because ever since I had chickenpox as a child, I still remained with some of the spots and that's why I use it. I also use it on some dark areas, probably around my eyes and around my neck as well. Up next is my moisturizer. I use this all over my face and also my neck as well. It's important to remember that everything that you do to your face, make sure to do it to your neck as well. And lastly, we go in with sunscreen. Now this is the icing on the cake. If you do not do this, all the other processes, they're just not going to work for you in the long run. So make sure you always use sunscreen. And remember to apply on your face and neck as well. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? So click the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you will be notified anytime that I drop a new video. So thank you so much. Please like, subscribe and share. Bye.